What's up? Today we are going to just look at all these number blocks. 196 of them. And guys, today we're going to do the sneezing action. But first, for a calculator to calculate it, we gotta turn it back into base 10. We can just do that with a clap. Okay, guys, it's done. But I gotta end this. Bye.